Today in this chapter 12, I am going to share with all of you on managing budgets. Every month, you as a landlord will receive your tenants' payment as your monthly passive income. And you can use this income to help you serve your monthly loan repayment for your property. A rental income is considered your passive income. As a landlord, you have responsibilities to declare your rental collection to Inland Revenue Boards. In Malaysia, any income derived from the letting of real properties is taxable under paragraph 4D, Rental Income of the Income Tax Act 1967. So, this is your responsibility as a landlord to make sure your property assessment bills are paid towards the local authority. You will be charged property tax of 6% annually rental value. If your property is still under mortgage loan, you should serve your monthly repayments well and avoid them from late payment to financial institutions. By renting out your property to your tenants, you will have passive income from your investment. You can use this income to help you serve your monthly loan repayment. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the tips for the chapter on managing budgets. Thank you so much for watching this chapter of my sharing video. In my next chapter, I'm going to share with all of you on chapter Tenancy Expired Matters.